We turn now to ITmate and a good look behind the curtain in the Delphi murder case. ITmate has obtained the transcripts from a hearing that led to Richard Allen's attorneys resigning from the case.
We are seeing a bit beyond the curtain into this because we're seeing some of the dynamics between defense attorneys, prosecutor, and the judge. So we are seeing some of that. Obviously, this is an extreme situation.
At the last hearing, Judge Fran Gold called both the prosecution and defense attorneys in the Delphi murder case into her office 2 hours before the scheduled start of the hearing. I was in the hallway when both parties entered the judge's chambers. The hearing was just days after a catastrophic evidence leak from Andrew Baldwin's office. In the transcripts, Richard Allen's defense attorney, Brad Rosie, tried to distance himself from attorney Andrew Baldwin, saying he didn't know the person that leaked the sensitive crime scene pictures, and it didn't come from his office.
And certainly I was surprised with some of the comments in the transcript from Brad Rosie where he appears to be minimizing the leaks. I believe at one point he says he doesn't care about the pictures having come out. And I think a lot of people find that shocking.
In the transcript, Rosie said, "I'm going to say this maybe a little loosely, but forgive me. I don't care. I don't care that all this stuff is out there." Attorney Andrew Baldwin hired a lawyer to represent him against the allegations the leak came from his office, and the judge wanted him off the case. The judge admonished Baldwin for issuing a press release just 2 weeks after a gag order was issued, and for not safekeeping the evidence. Judge Gold told both Rosie and Baldwin that they can either withdraw from the case or face public humiliation in open court. In the transcripts, Judge Gold is talking to Andrew Baldwin. "I'm talking about you. I'm not accusing the state of gross incompetence and negligence. I'm finding gross incompetence and negligence with you." The defense attorneys have two filings in front of the state's highest court. One concerns sealed records. The second is the reason this transcript exists. Baldwin and Rosie requested the transcript, claiming that they were harassed to withdraw from the case.
The first one concerns record keeping. It's saying Judge Gold did not properly keep records in this case. That needs to change. So that's one. Two is separate, but it also concerns Judge Gull. It's essentially asking her to be recused from the case and that Rosie and Baldwin get brought back on.
The Indiana Supreme Court could rule on these filings by the end of the year. In Indianapolis, Richard Essex, Wish TV, ITmate.